Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll teach you how to make an origami heart with a secret message. This is an easy origami to make, and the only material needed is a square piece of paper of the size you want. In this video I'll start with 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches. If your paper has one white side, you need to start with the colored side facing down. Our first step is to fold it in half horizontally. Unfold. Then divide the paper into 4. To do that, fold the bottom side to the middle. Next, fold the top side to the middle as well. And then fold in half vertically. Unfold. Now, to make it easier to make the final result, we need to fold 4 small diagonals in the middle, making a square. To do this, start by bringing the right side down, aligning the top side with the middle line, then make a diagonal crease only on the top half. We now have the first of the 4 small diagonals. Repeat now with the other side. Again, bring the top to the middle and mark only the top half. Same thing with the bottom side. And that's the result. Completely unfold the paper. Now we need to fold the 4 corners. Starting at the top right, bring the edge to this line here, to the first horizontal line at the top. Repeat the same with the others. And once done, we can bring the bottom and top side to the middle again. Now, if you want, you can write something or glue an image inside this space in the middle. After that, just close the right side along the lines we made. Same with the left side. Then close the bottom part as well. Next, fold the top corners, pushing a bit of the paper inside, like this. And then fold the corners in the middle as well, following the same logic. Something like this. Just repeat the same with the other 3. And our origami heart is ready! A relatively easy model to make, but with a cool and creative result. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time!